yakwata yajangore kantere chipira chizeya wana wakota mujisa inza code mujisa inza number 2 ompira gasola Timose ya cross go pewakipa
ebyobufuzi bingi tugendamu eby'amadini bitawanya ebyobwavu mu emirimu abavuka tebalina mirimu gino mirimu. Once you go in for this business of football, it's an industry. Zozoka uniform is business, engato is business, medicine is business. So you must have a vision.
This league started on 10th of January 2025, and today being 17th of January 2025, we are rounding it up. These 160 players participated. 160 out of 160. Today, I'm privileged to announce the scout team. They are going to handle that particular department. They are the one to announce the name of the 30 members which they have already selected to represent Bukimbiri FC